This is Andrew Weathers with Extreme Weather Construction at 642 Timberline Drive, Henrico, North Carolina. For Miss Susan Williams, doing a repairability test. We're going to attempt to repair shingle numero uno. Lot of granule loss here. Oh, look at that. Big old boom. Look at that. Proper technique, proper tool. Irreparable.
Using the roof snake.
Literally. We're being easy, folks. There's a lot of mat transference coming out of here. That's a lot of matting. This is not granules. This black stuff here is matting being torn up by this roof snake. There's another tear right here. So 2 tears in that first shingle. I don't see any need to go any further in the test. I say this roof is irreparable. As for the other slope, is tied in.
And in the same condition.
And for continuity's sake, I'm unable to repair this slope or this half of the roof without affecting the other portion of the roof.
As we repair the ridge caps.
The ridge cap here, and then if you walk over here with me, there's actually a wind damaged shingle. I cannot repair this shingle right here. We have missing laminate, and as you can see, this is tied into the following corresponding slope. So I would need a tear off of both slopes
to effectively repair the damage.
Correct, yes.
Thank you.